Dumela, Dumela, Dumela and Shambatung. Hi guys, my name is Betty and welcome to Garden with Betty K. I know, I know. It's okay, it's fine. It's fine. How you guys? I hope you guys are working. I hope you guys are doing good. I know the lighting is not doing what we want, but it's fine. The thing is, I'm busy here. I'm harvesting some worms. I'm harvesting some worms. I know it sounds so crazy. I know it sounds so crazy. I understand. If you don't do gardening, it won't make sense. But bear with me. I'm harvesting some worms because I need the soil to put in the garden beds. Because the garden beds, they sometimes the soil just slips out, especially when it's raining, when you're watering. So the water was a little bit, not the water man, the soil was flat, and I'll need to transplant my cabbage. I have what is it? Cabbage. I have lettuce in the remember the small containers, the one that the hail almost took it away. That hail almost ruined it, but they came back to life. Now I need to transplant them to, I mean, let me. Oh, it's gone. To the bed, ne? So, and I'm remembering Corey Norman. I actually have. Ooh, my hand is hurting. Ooh. Okay. I'm remembering Corey. You have beans, and that container of beans, there are worms inside as well. So. I'm thinking, because I have a friend who wants the worms, so I'm growing worms. I'm farming worms, guys. If you need worms, just let me know. I am serious about this. I normally joke about things like this, but this is serious. I realize you guys are suffering with worms, so let me show you. So guys, this video is going to be very, very long. So get a cup of coffee, tea, juice, water, something. Just, you know, because we have a lot of work to do. This container, this container is like this one. You remember this container? So I'm busy doing I'm kind of taking the worms out of this container, and then I'm putting them in this thing here. Let me show you. This one, she's lying. There's worms in here. Like, there's like wiggly friends in here, and then they have food for now in here. See the wiggly worms. So they're almost like, bucket, half bucket, but I know my other container has more, so I need to harvest some beans. So you're gonna harvest the beans for now, and let me show you. I've been taking the soil because the container is almost half done, so I'm doing the jigamajigas there, taking the soil out of there, and then taking the worms in there, and then the soil, because this soil, it's so nice and fluffy, guys, because the worms have been living in here. They are so nice and fluffy. Let me just cover this, because these worms, they don't like sunlight. This soil, there is something about the soil that you make yourself, like you put the right things in. And I'm busy covering this garden bed, this one, you see, I'm covering this one. But now let's go harvest the beans and take out the soil as well, because I need that soil. I need the worms in that container. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy. It's okay, you'll catch up. Just bear with me. I need to go harvest those beans, and then harvest the worms in there, and then start the real I want to start like being on a serious note of the worm farming as well. So I have worms. The thing is, I have worms. but now I need, there's money in worms, guys. If you are thinking about it, there's money in worms. Worm farming. People, they buy poop of the worms, and business messy. It's a very, very messy business, but there's money in it. Okay, but we are not there. I need worms in the container. I need to harvest the beans because we need to fix that. We need to put food in that. Ne? So today we're gonna chill together and do all this. Even if it takes us the whole day, it's okay. But as long as we are doing something, right? I get. So let me see what I'm doing here, and then we go that side. I need a container for the beans, but I need to air dry them. I need plastic. Okay, let's work. So I need to transplant. You see this spinach? I need to transplant it somewhere, right? Onions, I need to transplant it somewhere, so I need space. Look at this. Look at this lettuce. I mean, look at that. Yeah, and then I need to transplant this as well, so I need to make space in the garden. And then look at the cabbage. You see, look at the cabbage. Later on it, they need to be transplanted because they need to grow and make food for us. And I need to start more seedlings, the cabbage as well. So the thing that I want to harvest today is these beans. You see, they are ready. They cannot grow over here. What above this is just, I'm just waiting for the beds to start harvesting for me, and we don't need that. And my stand is there because I need hands-free to take this down. So let's work, guys. We are working. We are healed. We are working. We are working. See, I was busy. My mic is here. This thing, ish, wait, see. But donation, yeah, ring light. This time I need a ring light. I need a ring light. Whoever on space a ring light, I need a ring light. This I can work with, but now my other content needs me to have a ring light because it's inside the house. So, but let's work. So you guys are gonna stand here because it's under the shade. Now I'm going to work there. Okay, just chill there. It's fine. I'll play music for you guys. Our lighting is not make sure because the sun keeps on going inside and coming out, but it's fine. You see, these beans are the one that you buy from the shop. You know that the one that you make. Let me fix this. You're not the one that you do samp and beans with. I'll put a screen of them somewhere this side or this side. So when they grow, they look like this. So I was experimenting this past season if I can grow this. So I see I can grow this. So it means come September we are hands in. If you are buying now those beans, keep a little bit like in your hands, container somewhere, so that next winter we have our own beans from our own garden. Okay, but I'm going to air dry this. I'm not gonna do anything now because I need that. I need somebody to carry that for me. I need manpower. But the main point is I need worms in that container. Okay. Let me see what I do. We gotta do what you gotta do, right? Yes. So, 1 second. Let me show you the progress in here, because I've been like keeping this. So there's spinach, tomorrow, spinach, yeah, and we have things growing, you see. But I need to put some onions. Those onions, I'm gonna put them here, like in this space here. And we close this because it's winter. We are not taking chances. We are not taking chances. So, but I'm going to do that maybe separately. I don't know. But now, our job today is to get worms. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because it's sunny this side. Very, very sunny. What we need to wear, sunny or not. the soil. It's always on the second layer. So as you saw, I was not struggling to take out this soil because it was nice and loose. But as you dig deeper, you start getting where the soil is, like, you see, it's like compact like that. You know where you are. That's where you know where you are reaching where the worms are, because they like sitting all the way, almost, you see, almost all the way, because it's like a hotel of worms under here. So I'll bring you guys close again when I even the ends. I need to clean this soil as well. So let's bake. Oh. Like canals and canals. So the more deeper you go, you're gonna reach the canals like this. That's where the worms are. You're not gonna see them in the first layer of your canal. I mean your soil. But it's almost like first layer, second layer, third layer, of the soil. So that's the way you are at this. You guys are shaking because the stand is on the bottom. The stand. Don't mind the shaking. have reached the bottom of this container. This container is the first container that I started this channel with. If you go to the first videos, this is the first container that I started this channel with. And then I have not like seriously cleaned the soil after 2 years, 3 years, 2.5 years. I see we have like a lot of, I don't know if you can see, guys, but they ends with eggs. If you can look here, let me get this thing closer. So if you look here, where are they? So if you look here, you see we have ants and eggs. It's very hectic in this container. And then we have so much roots, so many roots. So I'm thinking I'm gonna clean the soil. I need cinnamon, and I need to clean the soil because we cannot leave it like this. And then the worms are still here. They are very nice and juicy, and they don't like the sun, so that's why I'm covering them like this. But I need to clean this. Let me take this thing out, and then I get cinnamon, and then we let everything that is not supposed to be in here to run away. And yeah. So sometimes you will think you are hunting for the worm somewhere, and you are hunting at the wrong spot. You are hunting at the wrong spot. Imagine these things are hiding under this container. Now I want them inside the container. They're underneath. They contain. Okay? Who be easy? You're looking for them somewhere when they are somewhere else. So, see, since we are here, I have to harvest the sweet potatoes. So let's do that now. Yeah. Because I have time, and if I don't do all the small jobs that I have to do, I'm gonna run out of time. So let's harvest some sweet potatoes. I don't know what is inside there. I don't know. We're all gonna be surprised together. I don't know anything, Lena. Sorry, this is gonna be my first time seeing what is inside that soil. Ne? Whether we have food or not, Lena, I did not know. Okay, let's just go inside there. Lena, I don't know what is inside there. Let me put this mic inside this phone. Hold on. There we go. Lena, I don't know what is inside there. I am going to be surprised as you to get whether we have food or not. That soil, it has to be cleaned, and our mission today is to find worms and to clean the soil and to find some food if we can, because we know we have food, but it's not make sure. Rona surprised really too. Lena, I get to I'm just gonna be surprised as you. Let me bring you guys closer. Let me bring you guys closer. Hey, this one, she went inside the house and then she got this thing inside the house. I want us to experience this thing together. We are in this together. We signed this contract together. Over. This contract we signed it nearly two or 3,000 of us. Are we 2,000 something? 2,000 something subscribers. So the whole 2,000 of us, we signed this contract for it. Let me get the bucket of worms, and then because I see we have wiggly people here. Let me get the bucket. I'm coming. So let me put this bucket here, because I see some nice juicy worms in there. Oh, yes. So I'm back. Can you guys see? Okay. So we have food. We have food and worms at the same time, and I need to clean this as well. My job today is all about cleaning the soil, finding the worms, harvesting some food from last season. So it's better than nothing. A win is a win. A win is a win. At least this time this year we got something from this container, because last season we didn't get anything from here. So this time You see some red hairs, you know. So we are finding food. We are finding food. Food. Izidlo. Ukudla. So guys, this video is going to be very long. So get a cup of coffee, tea, juice, water, something. Just, you know, because we have a lot of work to do. Guys, I am tired. I am tired. I think I overworked myself. I'm forgetting that I'm not 100%. But anywho, we I'm done for today. For today, I am done, and I'm going to put cinnamon in the soil that side. This one is full of things. That box is too big, so I couldn't just like put just soil in it. I needed to put soil and something. So I just found these things and then I just added inside that. I know we are not straight, we are like this, but it's okay because we are at the end of this video for today. So a win is a win. A win is a win. A win is a win. We found food. We are happy. Now the only thing that I need to harvest, because I see my gingers are doing very nice. They're very nice, and they are changing colors. So I don't know whether to take them out or what, but I will just wait for another day. Maybe on the next video we are going to harvest the gingers, you know. But for now I am tired. I need to hammer. I need to breathe. The bed is ready for those seedlings to go in. I'm happy about that. We found some juicy worms. Happy about that. So we did a lot today. So from now, mañana vamos Botswana. Wow. Korasi dasi are. Bye bye. A win is a win. Bye.